Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you. And I've got a Glossybox and this is their March beauty box. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Glossybox is a monthly beauty box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 shipping. And what you're seeing in this video is just for Glossybox UK. They do have other glossy boxes around the world, but the contents tend to be different. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month. Plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside the box you'll find around 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and also beauty tools. And now and again we get special edition themed boxes as we did last month. The box I'm showing you is a PR box. I'm on Glossybox's PR list and they kindly send me their boxes for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. But I also have my own personal subscription as well. I've been subscribed to Glossybox for over 4 years now and I've never had a break. It's one of my favourite subscription boxes. For £13.25, I think it's a really good value. There's not many subscription boxes out there for less than that then. But because I'm a regular subscriber, I decided to take out a 12-month subscription about a year, 18 months ago. So instead of paying £13.25 a month, I pay £11.75. And for those boxes, I either keep them and gift them to friends and family, or I put them up for giveaways on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, which are both the same, Diaryofabeautygeek. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to this box. Plus, they've given me a discount code to share with you, which will entitle you to receive your first box for £11, but I'll pop all details down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and all links and info will be down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. This is what it looks like. The theme this month is Pretty Pleasures. One of the items in the box is a lucky dip, which I'll talk a little bit more about. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek there, but I'll go through it one by one as we go through it. So in this card details everything about the products, including the prices, so I'm able to tot it all up at the end to give you an overall value, but also refer to this as we go along. On the back of the card it gives you April's sneak peek and it says, the fresh morning air, the birds singing amongst the blossom, you'll find that very feeling inside our April Wake Up in Spring glossy box. Inside this box you'll also discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from new brands Sophia and Mabel. Doesn't give you a picture there. So we're having an eyeshadow palette next month. Okay then, so a little bit of information about the theme for this month. Hey Glossies, this time of year is by far the prettiest. The days are getting warmer, the flowers are beginning to bloom. Everywhere you look, there's an array of beautiful pastel colours. And that includes in this month's box. Not only will the products inside this box make you look and feel fabulous, they'll also perfectly pleasing sitting on your bathroom shelf. Love from Glossybox. Everyone will receive the 4 same items and the last one, as I said, is a lucky dip. So I'll do that one first so I can tell you a little bit about it. This is NYX Lingerie and this is Glitter Palettes and I've got it in shade Euro Trash. So it's all wrapped up there. Now they said that for any new subscribers signing up to the Glossybox for the first time, you will receive a lucky dip product from NYX. So you will receive a random NYX product. And some will be going out to subscribers, but the majority will be going out to new subscribers. So then the others then that don't receive a NYX product, have to go back to this because my brain, I can't remember. You'll receive either a Lord & Berry liner, Skin Republic face mask or a Percy & Reed hairspray. If you've already had your box, because I'm a little bit late in uploading this, I've had this box for a few days. I've been really busy and I haven't had a chance to sit down and film. But yeah, so if you've already had your box, please let me know what you received as the 5th item. Ooh, the light is shining on it. Oh, I was expecting it to be glitter, you know, like the sort of thing I'd only really wear if I was going out fancy dress or Christmas, you know, but no, it is shimmery. Can you see? But the colour is stunning. It's like a rose gold, but more of a pinkier rose gold. Oh, I like that. Do you know what? NYX do the most amazing lipsticks. For the last couple of years, I've bought myself the NYX advent calendar and they do like lipstick vaults and things like that. I absolutely love, I'm wearing them today. I can't tell you what the colour is, but I'm wearing two that I received in their latest advent calendar, and I absolutely love them. So this is like a very high shine shimmery lipstick gloss, but it's quite opaque. It looks to be quite opaque anyway. We know glossies love their monthly boxes being a surprise, so we're sure you're going to love a lucky dip from NYX Professional Makeup. It could be a product for your lips, maybe the popular Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick, yeah, which is what I got. Or for your face, we love the Away We Glow highlighter. Simply open up your Glossybox to find out. Okay, so that's the first item in my box. So the next item then, I think it was our spoiler from last month. I can't remember. I think it is. It's by Figs and Rouge, and this is a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. Ultra Prime, and there's 30 mils here. Now, I'm not sure if I've tried this one before. I do remember trying a primer from theirs and it had a funny smell, but I don't think it's this one. I don't know. I don't know. If I've tried it, if you know I've received it in a box, so please let me know down below. I've obviously tried it and passed it on maybe. No, this one smells quite nice. What am I thinking of? I'm sure the one I tried was longer, but then the packaging could change, can't it? It's just like a clear serum, really. It says micro blurring, silicone free formula, blurs imperfections and banishes shine. Liquid blotting finishing complex, absorbs excess oil for sheer matte correction. Soothes skin and fixes foundation to keep complexion freshly flawless. Pore minimizing and anti-blemish action, reduces skin impurities and breakouts with daily wear. It sounds great, doesn't it? The recommended retail price for this primer is £38. And then it goes on to telling you what I've just read, and it contains hyaluronic acid, which perfectly plumps and maintains moisture, as well as marshmallow root and Arctic cloudberry extracts, which keep skin energized. So there's that. Next, we've got a makeup product by Beautynique. In the press release that I was sent, it says that it was a primer. So when I posted it up, I post all spoilers on my Facebook page. So I copied certain parts of the press release and I uploaded to share with my followers 2 primers in a box. And I was thinking, well, no, surely not. And it wasn't until actually I had another email just a couple of days ago that I noticed it's not a primer, it's actually a mascara. So apologies for any of you lot that had seen my post and didn't know any different. It's a mascara, not another primer. So this is a nourishing mascara, volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. And yeah, that's the outer packaging. A nice medium size brush there. I'll give that a go and see what that's like. So, the recommended retail price for this mascara is £15.50. This nourishing mascara thickens, lengthens and adds curl for bigger, fuller looking lashes. Also works to strengthen and maximise the length of your lashes. The oversized brush is designed to grip and coat each and every lash from root to tip. It's got a mascara. Then we've got a nail polish, and this is by Nails Inc. and this is Be Your Incredible Self. And what shade is this? Palace Gardens. I love this shade. I love it. It's a quite a pale grey shade. I don't think I've got any. No, I haven't. I haven't got any. Oh, I'm not. I have to be careful. I don't want to tip it out. I haven't got any polish, I don't think, in this type of shade. The recommended retail price for this nail polish is £11. This super glossy, long-lasting, intense colour will look perfectly pretty on your nails. This nail polish also has a new expertly designed brush which is exclusive to Nails Inc. and this ensures that polish is applied easily and will always create a flawless finish. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a complexion sponge, and this is by So Eco, and yeah, it's a beauty blending sponge. Yeah, it's a nice complexion sponge. You need to soak it with water, give it a good old squeeze, see how it expands. That's the proper test when it comes to beauty blending sponges like this. It seems like we've had beauty blending sponges quite a lot recently. The recommended retail price for this complexion sponge is £6. Ultra soft, flake resistant and long lasting, this sponge works both damp and dry, expanding with water to make blending effortless. Pointed tip is ideal for concealer and smaller areas around the eye, whilst the sides are designed for applying foundation and blush. So Eco also does its bit for the environment, planting one tree for every 100 products sold. So there's that. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up, and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Glossy box. The cost of the box is £13.25 and the value of these products come in at £75. I'm really chuffed with my lipstick. I really like that. It's not like an everyday type lipstick, but definitely one I would wear out. I think that's really pretty. Maybe not all over my lips, but just like in the middle, something like that. Just give it a bit of a sparkle. No, I do really like that. But yeah, mascara. Can't tell you about that, need to try it first. Again, I can't tell you about this either, so I can't remember if I've had it before, whether the packaging has changed or not, but we have had quite a few products from Figs and Rouge in Glossybox and other subscription boxes in the past as well. But it sounds nice. Satin Soft Blurring Primer. It does sound really nice. Eco Sponge, I use sponges all the time to apply on my face, so it's, you know, it's handy. I'm going to pop it in with the rest of my makeup and everything, but yeah, it doesn't excite me as much because I've had quite a few recently, so I have got quite a collection of them now. And lastly, the nail polish. And that's a gorgeous colour. I really, really like it. So overall for £13.25, I do think it's a nice box this month. Looking forward to trying these two, seeing what they're like. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts, especially if you've received your box. I'd love to hear what you received in yours. How does it compare to mine, etc. My paid for box will be coming tomorrow. I had an email saying that, I think it's Royal Mail, that they are going to be delivering it tomorrow. So yeah, I'd be excited to see whether I get a lucky dip or I get one of the other products. But yeah, all your thoughts and opinions. I'd love to know whether you like it or not. Always curious to hear your thoughts about this box. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.